All right, today we are going to draw a seahorse. These are some photographs of some seahorses. I don't know if you've ever been to an aquarium or you've seen them on TV. They are fascinating creatures. Okay, we're going to start with an oval. And then we're going to pull a line down for his back. And then it kind of curves back out and around for his tail. And then we're going to come in here and we're going to add his body, which is his belly. And it comes down here, and then we have his tail. It goes all the way around. And all of them have different size tails. Some of them have longer tails than others. This is going to have a longer tail than most. So, okay, then we're going to go in here and we're going to show where his belly is, which is, goes out like that and comes back down like that. And then we got to put he has this, I don't know what you call it, nose on him that goes out like that. And then it kind of does a little, I don't know if that's how he eats or breathes. It's his nose, I guess. I'm not really sure. Anyway, he's going to be really cute when we're done. So I'm going to put a little eyelid on his eye, and there's his eye. And then we have to do the back part of him. Okay? So I think the easiest way to do it is we're going to pull up some lines, and they're going to follow all the way around, all the way down. I think this is the easiest way to draw it. Just like this, all the way down into his tail. And they poke out from the tail, from his body. Now, if I go too fast, remember, stop the video, catch up, and come back. Okay. Then we're going to go in here and we're going to put these little curves. From here to here, we're going to put in like a U shape or a curve. And we're going to do it all the way around to each one of these lines that we've created. Just like that. And I think once you get into the tail, I think they're smaller. I mean, these come out, but I think that the actual, you know, structure is a lot smaller. So you're going to get closer to the actual tail. You scoop down closer to the tail with your pen. And let's see. I think that looks really good. So the next thing is that he has the same thing here. I'm trying to figure out how to do it. Maybe we just put in stripes for his belly. Like that. That looks good. And I'm wondering if this needs to be a little rounder. So I'm going to go on down and do that, and we'll color it different. All right. So there is our drawing. And now we're going to go in and color him. Now, the ones that we have here are all yellow or orange, but if you want, you can color them any color you want. I've seen blue ones and orange and yellow and green, and you know, there's all kinds of different colors. Like this one is brown. He's hanging on to, I guess this is seaweed, and it's yellowish green. So you could do brown if you want. I think it would be fun to kind of decorate him where you had more than one color. But maybe his belly is yellow. Oh, and you know what we didn't do? We forgot his fins. We got to put fins on him so he can swim. I didn't do that. What is my pen? Here. So we got to put fins on him so he can swim. And he has fins here. And he has fins up here. So we're going to put on a curve right here and do a fin here. And we're going to do the same thing with the scallops, and that could be one of his fins. So maybe we put a fin up here too. Like that. I almost wish I had put a fin out here. Oh well, we didn't do that. So maybe next time we draw it, we'll do it differently. So right now I'm adding a darker yellow to the bottom of the fish to give it more of a round look because fish are round. And so this is a little shadow that I'm adding to the bottom of the fish. I think the fins should be yellow. Instead of having water teal, I think I'm going to make the guy and like a teal color. I'm going to speed up the video just a little bit while I'm coloring. So now I'm taking a darker teal color and adding it as a shadow, and then also I think I'm just going to add it as an extra color on my seahorse. I decided to put a smile on him. I think he needs a smile on him. There you go. What else do I want to do? So now what I've decided to do was put in something for him to hang on to. Usually they hang on to seaweed or I'm looking at a picture and it almost looks like underwater bamboo. I don't know that that's what it is. There's water. I don't believe that bamboo is underwater, but it, you know, these weeds kind of have like these knobs on the weeds look like they have little knobs or something. Anyway, that's what I'm going to draw in the background if you'd like to draw with me. There you go.
And I'll see you in the next video.